Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to block an Uber driver. Ever had an Uber ride that made you think, yeah, I never want to see that driver again? Same. So I went into the app expecting a clean little block driver button, but nope. Uber doesn't work like that. Instead, I open the app, tap into the activity section, and look for extra tip where things went sideways. That's where the real control happens. Once you select the trip, you can leave a rating and explain what actually went wrong. And here's the important part, be specific. Whether the ride felt unsafe or just plain uncomfortable, your feedback actually matters. I tried this myself, and while it doesn't instantly block the driver, Uber uses that report to avoid matching you with them again in the future. If it was serious, you can even reach out to support and file a proper report. So, yeah, no block button, but you still have a way to make sure history doesn't repeat itself. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.